DoorDashing.
You're DoorDashing.
Sorry.
Just leave your foot on the brake for now.
I'm trying to leave. It won't let me put my car into it. I can't put it.
Paul 4842. I think they're finally going to stop here at 122nd off of Broadway. For a second. Put in park. Is it too difficult to put it in park?
No, it's.
Where are you coming from?
I'm DoorDashing.
What?
I'm DoorDashing.
You're DoorDashing? How are you possibly DoorDashing? How much have you had to drink? The reason that I'm trying to stop you is because I locked you in at 116 miles an hour. You have no rear lights. You about ran into 2 or 3 people. Put the car in park.
My arm. I do not know why it's not ending in park. I'm sorry. I want to put in park. It won't let me put.
Is this your car?
This is my car. I'm so frustrated right now.
Well, crying ain't gonna do any good.
I know.
Let's go ahead and let's figure out.
It's my in-laws' car. I'm trying to put it in park.
Pull your parking brake.
It won't let me put it in park. I'm so sorry.
All right.
I'm just
Does
trying to
it have a key? Does it have? I'm gonna turn it off.
Parking, yes.
All right. Let's go ahead and get on out of the car. It's turned off. Lay your foot off the brake and see what it does. No, put it on. Put it on. Put it on.
Oh my gosh, it's my in-laws' car. I'm so sorry.
Just leave your foot on the brake for now.
I'm trying to leave. It won't let me put my car into it. I can't put it in position. I'm just.
Let me see your license. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had one glass of wine with my friend I had one glass of wine with my girlfriend who is a single mom, and I'm newly to a single mom, and I'm not drunk. I'm just.
Why were you doing 116 miles an hour?
I'm trying to get the Uber to my order correctly. I'm sorry. I'm so new to this. I'm just trying to get the best tip that I can. I'm sorry.
Well, I got some people here that's going to help me. Hey, so she can't figure out how to get in park, and she can't let her foot off the brake.
I can. Hi.
Hello.
I'm trying to get to my.
Yeah, but as soon as she lets off, it's going to roll. Together, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like this. Just like I am. See how I'm standing? Okay, put your feet just like my feet are. No. See how I'm standing just like this? We're going to call that good. Just stay right there. Can you see the tip of my pen right here? Over here is the pen, not the flashlight. Don't look at the flashlight. The pen. Do you see it? The top, the silver part, right here. Do you see it? All right, I want you to follow it with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand? All right. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. All over. See the silver part? You got to keep looking at the silver part. Keep looking at the silver part. No, keep looking at the silver. Right up here. Don't look down here.
I got you. Right here.
Don't move your head.
I got you.
Turn your head up. See the silver part?
I'm trying
Watch the silver part. Not down here.
I
up
got
here.
you. Up here.
I can see where you're looking. Ready?
I'm so looking. Girl, man, I gotta get home to my kids.
Okay,
I'm looking home.
Okay.
I'm looking home.
Quit moving your head.
No, I'm not.
Ready?
I'm moving home.
You gotta move. You gotta walk.
You said don't move.
Don't move your head.
I'm not moving yet. I'm locked in.
All right, you ready?
I'm here. I'm ready. Okay.
Eyes only. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. That's not really funny. So
I know.
What we want to do
I'm
is
sorry.
you
You're
watch
making me
with your
laugh.
eyes open.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Don't move your head.
I'm looking at you.
All right, you ready? Pull up with your eyes on.
I got you. I don't f around with kids.
Listen to what I'm telling you.
I understand.
I want you to look at the tip of my pen. I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Let's try it again. You're moving your head. Keep your head straight.
I'm moving my eyes. Only. I'm moving my eyes only.
Keep your head straight.
I'm moving my eyes versus I do Uber Eats orders.
I don't really care what you're doing. I want you to pay attention to what you're doing right now.
I have you.
Look up here, not at the bottom.
Yes, sir. I had a single mom.
Stop talking.
Yes,
Watch
sir.
up here.
I'm watching.
You got to keep your head straight.
No. I just wanted to tell you, I don't know if you police officers bring
You
it
got your hand right there? You're still not there.
This is nice. I'm sorry. I don't hope you.
I don't like it when you're going to kill somebody on the road.
Wait.
Okay? Stand right there.
Okay.
All right? Here's what I want you to do. All right? What I want you to do is I want you to put your feet. I want you to pretend like there's an imaginary line coming out of your left foot.
I'm so scared.
Are you paying attention? You're not paying attention.
Why
This is important. You're not paying attention.
Why do you think I'm afraid of that?
Are you going to listen?
You need to listen.
All right, pretend like there's an imaginary line coming out of your left foot. I want you to leave your left foot on that line and put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, just like I'm standing. Can you do that?
Look at his feet.
Don't go anywhere. Just go back and stand there. Go stand back there where you were.
I'm sorry.
Go back here. Go back there. Okay. Go back over here where my light's at. Can you stand there? Go back to this position just like I'm standing. No, not even close. Go stand right there where my light's at. Can you stand right where my light's at? Can you see the light? Stand right there. I want you to put. Okay, I'll work with that. What are we doing? No. Where are you coming from? Okay, how much have you had to drink?
I had a glass and a half of wine.
A glass and a half of wine. Okay, how long ago was that?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago. All right. Well, you can't do any of these tests. Right now, it's actually 1 o'clock right now, and you're under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and turn around.
Honest.
I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to take you, and we're going to do some stuff. You're lucky you didn't kill somebody.
That's okay.
No, it's not okay. Let's go down.
It's not yours, Eric. Next one.
Sorry.
They look the same.
That's why you're in this job, isn't it?
Actually, I have a degree in
Psychiatry?
actually in social science, yes.
Would you mind sitting in the front seat?
No, have a seat.
Please.
Have a seat.
I'm 24 years old.
I don't care how old you are. Scoot.
Please talk to me.
Well, I'm getting ready to talk to you as soon as I
Please,
get in.
somebody talk to me. Hey,
Yep.
I'm really...
Do what?
There's no apology that could admit to it.
We're looking too. It sounds like you hit another car too. You remember hitting another car?
No, sir.
All right, so I'm going to read you some stuff here real quick.
Sir.
All right, this is, you have been arrested and are requested to submit to a test or tests to determine the presence and or concentration of intoxicants in your body. The test will be a breath test. If a blood test is performed, it will be done by approved medical personnel under Oklahoma law.
Yes.
Once you complete the state's test, you may have an additional test at your own expense. You are not entitled to consult with an attorney prior to making your decision whether to submit to the state's test. You may refuse the state's test, but as a consequence, your driving privileges will be revoked or denied. If you are 21 years of age or older and the test result is 0.08 or more alcohol concentration, your driving privileges will be revoked or denied.
All right. No.
Will you take the state's test?
Yes, I have to take the state's test. I will go through anything you have to put me through. Can you please tell me what my charge is with?
Right now, it's DUI, speeding. Right now, I think that's all. Where were you coming from?
My friend Michaela's house. She's the new mom. She's I don't know if you know what it's like, but like stable mom kind of stuff. We're just been by her mom's kind of self. I went to go see her, and I do live with my baby daddy, whatever you want to call him. And he helps me with gas money and daycare money. I don't know if you want like all the information, but
I was just trying to figure out where you were coming from. Like,
it's
were you in Oklahoma
Clovell.
City?
Yeah, like Oklahoma City, Clovell. I'm honestly asking about a security escort just because I thought it was so important. If that's ever possible, please please let me know, and please let me out of these handcuffs because it's fine. I just really want to make sure they get this delivery. Please make sure that they get this food order. Okay, would it be crazy for me to ask you to drive me home?
Yeah, definitely would be.
I know it would be crazy, and I know you're not an Uber driver, but please, could you drive me home? I know that's not your job. I know it's not your job. But listen, I got 4 girls to get home too. And this is what you're here for, okay? Please, will you please let me home safely? Hey, I do want you to know that
Come on up this way. Watch that curb. There you go.
I'm so
I get it, but I can't do that. That's our policy is you have to be in. And I gotta follow the rules.
I know.
Inside this building here.
I gotta pee.
That'll be a while.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta go. We're gonna go.
Hang on.
Come on. No, if you wanna go.
Don't go to the right. Go right here. You need to do me a favor. Open your mouth. All right, have a seat right here for me.
This looks so bad. I'm just trying to be a daughter too for my fucking family. I'm so sorry.
Whenever we take this test, have you ever blown up a balloon before? You know how hard it's kind of hard to blow, right? Does that make sense? That's the way this is. You're going to have to blow for a long time, and I'm going to tell you, I'll coach you through it. So you got to, whenever I tell you to start, you're just going to put your mouth on it, and you're just going to start blowing. You got to blow fairly hard, and just keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Okay?
You ready?
Nope, not yet. We still got another minute and 20 seconds.
Okay. I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay, ready? Take a big giant breath, and just keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Keep going, 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 keep going. You're almost there. You almost got it. Good job. That's good.
Hey, if I'm not, please don't arrest me. I'm just here. If I'm not, please just keep me here.
We gotta wait 2 minutes. We'll blow one more time, and then after that, I'll take you out of the handcuffs and I'll let you go to the bathroom. All right, you ready? All right, one more time, just like you did a while ago. Ready, set, go. Keep going, keep going, keep. Good job, good job. So here's the results of the test. So this right here, this is the first breath that you did. The first breath was 0.23. The second breath was a 0.24. The way that this works, it will give you the lower of those two numbers. So the result is a 0.23. That's almost 3 times the legal limit. So yeah, it's actually an aggravated DUI.
To put this into perspective, a blood alcohol content of 0.23 is nearly 3 times the legal limit of 0.08. In the state of Oklahoma, blowing anything over 0.15 automatically upgrades the charge to an aggravated DUI. At 116 miles per hour, this wasn't just a traffic violation, it was a disaster waiting to happen.
So, but I probably won't do that, honestly.
Can you please explain this to me better? Because I don't even understand how this is not a 1, but yet this is an aggravated DUI.
So anything over 0.15 is aggravated.
I'm 24 years old. I do not understand this. I'm so sorry.
Well,
I'm trying. No,
basically what it is.
It's not an ignorance of law. I understand that my finances contribute deliberately. Holy.
Okay, go ahead and
I
stand on
thought
that.
I was supposed to make more off DUI than
Okay, I gotta put these back on you so we can go outside.
I thought I was supposed to make DUI. What's it called, DoorDash?
Mm-hmm.
What's it called, dude?
I think that's what you said you were doing.
That's supposed to be what you're doing.
Let's head on back.
I said if I was a gymnast, that would be my calling. But I'm not.
Let's go back out this way.
I'm not a gymnast. I can't believe this is happening to me. I have so many trauma things that have happened.
It could have been a lot worse. Yeah, I think you were getting ready to wreck.
You know what?
Careful, just don't fall down.
I got you.
As soon as we get across the street, we'll take them off. Well, they'll take them off.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Okay.
Come on,
All
let's
right.
go.
Sit over here so I can actually hear you.
I'm not trying to get out of these handcuffs. Come
I
on.
can't hear you over
I
here.
don't want to be over here. Come on. Please. Please. Hey, wait. I'm the only one in here. Can you please untie me? Girl, man, sure. Not man. I mean girl. No, shit.
A few moments later.
Come on. You can't ever get out if you can't get in here. Come on, let's go. Where are you going? Come on, let's go. Come on.
What started as an attempt to make a few extra dollars delivering for DoorDash ended in a devastating reality check. Driving 116 miles per hour at nearly 3 times the legal limit, she didn't just risk her own life, but the lives of everyone on the highway that night. Here are the final charges she faced.